Welcome to Auto Trend, where we explore the fascinating world of cars, blending the iconic with the imaginative. Today, we're diving into an exciting concept. What if the Dacia Sandero had existed back in 1961? Let's imagine this practical, affordable hatchback reimagined for a bygone era. Picture the Dacia Sandero 1961 with a classic design, rounded edges, chrome trims, and sleek curves reflecting the style of the early 1960s. Its compact size would make it perfect for city streets, offering practicality and elegance in equal measure. Equipped with a reliable engine, the Sandero of this era would prioritize simplicity and efficiency, catering to drivers looking for a cost-effective, dependable vehicle. The interior would feature a minimalist yet stylish design, with analog gauges, a simple dashboard layout, and comfortable vinyl seats. While it wouldn't boast the advanced technology of today's Sandero, it would shine with its practicality and ease of use. A focus on fuel efficiency and affordability would make it a hit among families and young drivers. The 1961 Dacia Sandero would likely come in a variety of classic colors, from soft pastels to bold, vibrant shades, reflecting the optimistic spirit of the time. Its compact size and maneuverability would make it an ideal choice for urban commuting and weekend getaways. What do you think of this retro take on the Dacia Sandero? Could it have been a game changer in the 1960s? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more creative explorations in the world of cars. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and stay tuned for more automotive imagination on Auto Trend.